Hi there, it's Crudi, Enric. I am in the middle of the forest, so I want to make a video explaining and maybe reflecting, what is God? Because God is the small and the big, the source of the universe and the Mother Earth. The small minerals, the rocks, the waters, even the ants and the animals and the humans, the leaves, the winds, the sun. So we need to understand that everything is sacred. And once once we know that everything is sacred, we start doing things from a place of love and understanding. So each food that you eat must be plant-based, 80% raw, vegan and vegetarian. Because we need the living earth minerals. We don't want to kill animals. We want to save the animals. We want to protect the animals because since 1970, 70% of the animals have been extinguished. They are extinct, 70% of the animals. So that's the huge crisis that not many people are talking about. So to try to heal this crisis, we need to protect the animals, we need to protect the earth. And for that, we need the vegan and vegetarian diet, raw living foods for the win. Because we need the energy of the planet to be healthy. We need to build the churches again. We need to rebuild castles again. We need to rebuild the towns, natural towns again. We need a natural world. We know that industriality has been negative for the planet, and we need to come back to organic living. We need the raw diet, we need natural towns, peaceful towns, vegetarian towns. We need a place where we are happy, where there are families together praying for God and saying thank you, Mother Earth. So I hope you understand that the earth is sacred and we need to take care of the minerals, the earth, the trees, the animals and the people. So every minute is God, every second is God, and every little thing counts. So thank you, and may peace be with you.